Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX nickel market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart is seeing a 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here at 989. We expected the price to stay in downtrend, so right after the opening, the price came down and found various resistance around 976. Continued its selling to reach 961.6 and finally closed near 971.9. Again, it's a very big price action that happened in the yesterday's nickel market. Today it's expected to open somewhere near 968 for today. So you can expect the market to continue to selling. You can place we need to place a very strict stop loss. So place stop loss at 983 and you can go for selling, expecting the price can come and hit 957.5. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.